Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome sis. This is a channel where we spill all the business tea for free. Okay, y'all, I had to come on here with no makeup, hair barely done and everything, but I really wanted to record this video for you guys to let you guys know how to package your orders. A step-by-step tutorial either using your laptop or your phone, sis. So right now, comment down your business Instagram name below. Make sure you like and subscribe, boo, because like I said, we drop business tea 24/7 on this channel. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, as you just saw, I just laid on this brand new plastic. I'm gonna be honest with you, usually I just use my regular table, wipe it down and use that, but I want it to be cute, you know, so I say let me just put this plastic on here so my table look at least a little decent. So period. So first thing first, what we're going to do is get our thank you cards, our business cards, and any packaging material we are going to need. So these are my thank you cards. I designed them myself. It's pretty old because I still have my old logo on them. But yeah, comment down below if you want me to make a video how I made these cards. It's super easy and you'll definitely save a lot of money. I got these cards printed out at Vistaprint, but there's so much easier options now that you can get your cards printed out at. So I'm just gonna place these cards right over here. Ooh, if you peep that code, use it, boo. But so next I use my business cards. Aren't they so cute? And they have like everything. It's like a little iPhone and it has like all my information on there, so that's super cute. So I like to include that in the packages for my customers. So I'm just gonna place this over here. Okay, so far we have our thank you cards and business cards. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my label printer and my laptop. Now I said this is teenager edition, so I'm definitely going to show you how you can actually print your labels using your phone too. But first I'm going to use my laptop and then we can print it using our phones. But label printers do not connect to your phone, so that's why I print it using my computer now, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So as you can see, I have my label printer and laptop right there. The type of printer I use is Mobian. I know many people use Rollo, but I decided to get a Mobian one because it was like $40 cheaper, but it works the same. So yeah, I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys to purchase that as well. But you can also use a regular printer, so don't even be tricked into like buying a label printer. Like, it's not really needed, especially if you're just starting out. So now I'm going to get my packaging stuff ready and then get inventory and we'll start going through orders. If you are new here or if you haven't subscribed, sis, please hit that like and subscribe button. So here's my packaging. I use pink bubble mailers. Sometimes I use boxes just because I sell custom glass phone cases and I just want to reach the customer all protected and nice. So I'll show you guys how I really pack that as well. Yeah, so this is our stuff we're starting off with. We got our printer, we got our laptop, we got our bubble mailers, our boxes, thank you cards, and business cards. So let's start packing, boo. Alright you guys, so I have this customer order pulled up. I tried to like minimize the screen as much so I can block out her personal information, my personal information, and everything. So she ordered a 2 custom phone case as well as a trap phone case. This is our trap phone case. It's super duper cute. I love it so much, and yeah, I'll leave the link in the bio so you guys can purchase those if you want. But she ordered this and she ordered 2 custom phone cases, so I'm gonna lay the inventory out. I'm not gonna really show all her custom phone cases just because I want to like keep stuff confidential and everything, so I'm just gonna lay the inventory out and then get ready to create her label and pack her package. So I have one of her custom phone cases here. Is super duper cute, but like as I said, like I wouldn't show like her and the other person just for confidentiality. But I will show this one is super cute. Look at that shine, y'all. Only can be found at Taylor Tech Shop, period. So I'm gonna package these up and then I'm gonna create her shipping label. So first thing first, you guys, I'm going to pack this trap phone. Super cute. I use these what do you call this, these holographic Ziploc bags. I got these from Amazon. Definitely most of my stuff usually do come from Amazon, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm just gonna package these in here. I usually package my phone cases in my boxes, which I'm gonna show in a minute, but of course this one is definitely not going to fit in that box. So I put these in here like this. Super cute. And then I'm going to add a sticker because you know it's all about branding, y'all. Definitely. I'm gonna put a sticker on here like this, if it will not stick to me. And here you have the first one. So now that's done, I'm just gonna set it to the side over here. Then I'm gonna build my boxes for the phone cases. So they're super duper easy to build. You know, if you have a phone case company, they're definitely available on my website for you to purchase with wholesale. If you want to see more videos of the boxes and other things I have for wholesale, definitely follow me at Taylor Tech Wholesale. So this is how they come originally, and it comes with a plate for you to slide in with the phone case. Pull this tab down like that. Then you get the tray. I like to call it the tray. I'm not sure if that's the name, but then you get the tray and you put her case on there like that. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. Oh my gosh, literally so pretty. Then you're gonna put the case in just like this. And then you're gonna close it, and then you're gonna squeeze that little knob. Here you have it. And of course, definitely I like to add my logo sticker, as I said. Well, this is not even my logo sticker, it's just my Instagram, like all my social media names. I made it out of sticker, which is super duper clever. So put it on here. And there you have it. This is one of her phone case down so far. And then I'm gonna do the other one and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to grab this envelope. She won't be getting a box because she did order this big trap phone and it can't fit in the box. So what we're gonna do is try to fit it in here. I got these mailers from Uline, if you guys didn't see it on the back. It was super cheap, so I'll leave the link down below in the description as well if you want to purchase these. But I love them so much. They're super form, super protective, and it's not cheap. Okay, period. So let's see if we can fit this in here. Maybe if I fold, I don't really want to fold it, but I think I have to. Perfect. And then I'm going to add my thank you card in here, as well as a business card. Also, you guys, I'm super extra. Like as I said before, these are custom glass phone cases, so I do not want them to break during shipping. So I'm gonna bubble wrap them some more since I'm not using the boxes and everything. So I'll bubble wrap these and then I'll come back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I bubble wrap them. Call me what you want, extra, but I want to make sure that her case does not show up broken. little bit more, and there you have it. So this is our our first package that we did. Now if you're shipping at home, you're gonna want to get a scale and a printer. That's all you need. Now we're gonna take my scale right here. I got this from Amazon as well. I'm going to link this down in the description. Okay, so you just want to make sure that it says 0, and then we're gonna weigh how much pounds it is. Okay, so we're finished with this. Now we're gonna go over to our computer, and then we're gonna print out the label to put on this package and tape it all nice. So if you didn't know or you didn't recognize this screen, I use Shopify for my web hosting. Like, I had Wix before, it was okay. I moved to Shopify and I love it so much. I'm definitely going to link I think it's a 14-day free trial for you guys, definitely, for Shopify. So check out the link in my description. We are going to create her shipping label. As you can see, like, we already weighed it before. So we're just gonna put how much ounces we had. It was 9.1 ounces. So let's see how much they're gonna charge us for it. You can see that it automatically calculates the shipping rate for you. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do, I always do first class package, just so I can have tracking and everything. So I'm gonna click on that, and then buy one shipping label. Oh, this, the hollow you're seeing right here, is nothing but the name of my pink envelope that I gave it. So these are the dimensions for my pink envelope and how much my envelope actually weighs. So now I'm gonna hit buy one shipping label. Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna plug in my label printer now to my computer, and you literally just plug it into your USB port like that. Then you're just gonna turn on the label printer. I just hit a switch back here, and then you're just gonna press print, and that's how easy it is, you guys. And you just tear it off. Now it's all closed, and I'm kind of extra. I like my stuff to be very secure, so I'm gonna put some tape, extra tape on here. So this is why it takes me a good amount of hours to go through packages, because it takes me a lot of time. And also, I'm gonna throw a fragile sticker on there. I got these fragile stickers from Amazon as well. I'll link it in the description. And I'll stick this on the front. Alright, you guys, so as I promised, I'm going to show you guys how to print it from your phone. So go in the Shopify app, and then you're gonna press create shipping label. Alright, then we're gonna put in the weight. The weight is actually 7 ounces. It's $3.52 for USPS first class package. Comes with tracking. We're gonna scroll down, and then we're gonna say buy one shipping label. Alright, now we're gonna print out our shipping label. If you do have a Bluetooth printer, you can connect your phone to that printer. So definitely, if you buy a regular printer, make sure that it's Bluetooth so you can print from your phone. So we're gonna hit on print shipping label. Block out her information. So there you have it. This is her shipping label, and we're gonna tape this onto the box. So that concludes the phone part. I'm gonna pack these in the box now, as well as pack the rest of these packages. It's definitely gonna be sped up for you guys, so please enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching my video so far. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe, boo, because I'm dropping them gems for free.
Straight from the mud like Ruby. Straight to the stage, they love me. I understand they hungry, but please don't hate, that's ugly. I've been sliding, shaking, moving, I've been popping in my city. Shawty say she love the way we do it with me. I be too turned up to ever give a fuck. I ain't come to argue, let them niggas fit. Might put my hands on it. Get this chicken, now she wanna marry me. But she gon' need some closure and some therapy. Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers hell, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the road.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video, boo. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let me know if it was helpful, because I definitely want to do more entrepreneur videos on here. Comment below any video ideas or video tutorials that you want me to do, and I'll see you guys in another video.